Hey everybody, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember that this channel doesn't do Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital courses down below. And every single dollar that we get from the products you buy below goes into making more content. The best way to help out this channel and Mammoth Interactive is to subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. Get thousands of hours and hundreds of courses for a low price down below. We have a monthly option and a yearly option. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the video.
All right, so next thing we need to do is when we play through this here, if you push a certain button, it's going to play or skip the dialogue. So first things first, let's hop into our narrative here, and I'm going to type in next dialogue on narrative on keyboard actually. Keyboard, pretty simple stuff. Next thing we need to do is we just need to say simulate next click, and I'm just going to add in a print, and I'm going to say warped. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and compile that here. So every time we do that, it'll work here. So next thing we need to do is we need to add in a keyboard, and this is my level blueprint, by the way. Keyboard J. So when the J is pressed, we're going to cast to narrative. Okay, and we need to give this a narrative object. It's pretty simple stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to promote to variable, and I'm going to call this narrative object, and we need to set it here like so. Okay, I'm just going to drag this over here like this. Now I think this should work. Except for it, of course, it gives you that option, which is why we need to add that narrative object there. And then as that, we're just going to do next dialogue keyboard. Now, I think this works here. Okay. When I was prototyping this, it gave me this weird error. In which case, you might need to just change around these blue things here, play around with it. But anyway, there we go. I can skip all the dialogue I want. So that's actually really good. So it was pretty simple stuff. There is a way to do it within the dialogue keyboard there, but if I were to do this in a game, I would put this code in my first person or third person character. Well, actually, I would put this in my game mode, and then I would put this in my character. Generally, the controls you want, that's what you want the controls to be, right? So there you go. That's how you add in dialogue there. Now, of course, you can trigger this in any way you want, but this is a great way. This is a great way to add in dialogue to your game. In fact, I think this is probably one of the best widgets out there. All right. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you really like this channel, you can subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. It's only about $19 a month. We release 20 to 60 hours of fresh new content per month. See you in the next tutorial.